How to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image layer selected, come down to mask and create a mask on your layer. Next, come over to your colour swatches and we want to make sure that we have black on top and white on the bottom. If you don't see this, just click this little colour swatch icon here and then click this switch to switch the colours. Next, we need to come up to the paint bucket tool or the gradient tool and make sure that we come into gradient. Come up to the top and choose classic gradient. Click into the properties. In basics, we're going to choose the black to transparent option. We're going to make sure we're set to linear. You can play around with all the other options if you want to. Next, I'm going to hover my mouse around the bottom middle of my image, hold shift and click and drag up. Now as we can see, that has faded my image from the bottom to the top. If you want any other result, you can play around with this however you like for your images. If you want to see what this looks like with a colour behind this faded transparency, we can come down to adjustments, create a new solid colour. I'm going to set this to black, choose OK, drag this under my layer, and as we can see there, it's created a faded effect. And that's all there is to it.